Creating a stunning brochure has never been easier. With Canva's user-friendly interface and countless templates, you can design a professional-looking brochure in just minutes. Whether you are promoting an event, showcasing a business, or sharing information, Canva Info offers the tools you need to make your ideas stand out. Start crafting your eye-catching brochure today and watch your audience take notice. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to make brochure in Canva. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. So this is the homepage as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is an online graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content, including brochures with its intuitive drag and drop interface, pre-designed templates, and extensive library of images and fonts. Canva makes it easy for anyone, regardless of design experience, to produce professional-looking brochures tailored to their specific needs. So to get started, you have just to log in and find your account, or you have just to create an account and you'll find this page as you can see. So first of all, I have just to search here over brochure. Once you do that, you will find this page as you can see. And here we have the templates that we have here in the brochures. So right now all I have to do is just select the filter. For example, here we have business. If you want business docs like presentations, business cards, flyers, prototypes, mind maps, websites, graphs. Then we have planners also, letterheads, calendars, resumes, invoices. Then we have your social media also, such as Instagram posts, Instagram reels, Facebook covers, your stories, TikTok videos, Pinterest. And then we have education like subject, grade, and resource type. Then we have video, as you can see, such as YouTube video colleges, and we have also here mobile videos, video messages, and we have Facebook videos. Then we have marketing, like for example posters. While we have brochures, I will select this one firstly, and then we have here print products, like here we have photos and gifts, marketing, banners, brochures, and I will select here also brochures. Then here we have also stickers, and we have here cards and invites, and we have here stickers and packaging, clothing and accessories, and we have here the last one, which is cards and invitations. So if we scroll down, you'll find also here, for example, format. You select the one you want. Then we have here style, language, theme. Then we have here feature, grade, subject. Then we have topic, and the last one, which is price. So I select also here the free one. Then I will click over apply, and you will find only the template that you want it's for free and only brochures. So here we have it. You can just select the template that you want. So you choose the one you want, for example. So I select this one. So you have just to click over the one you want, and you click over customize this template, and then you will find this page as you can see. So we'll find here are various things that you have to modify to get started and create your own brochure. So for example, in the brochure we have three things, as you can see. I have three columns, I mean. So you can just modify it. So for example, you can delete this one, or you can delete the background. For example, I will select the background that I want. For example, I'll select the black one like that, and you select if you want the white, or you can just come back right that like that. Then if you want to edit something, you have just to click over edit, and you just choose the folder that you want, effects also. Then we have here apps and other things. Then for example, here we have elements. If I want to add something, for example, I want to add here the call or the phone number like that, so I will just put it small, and I will just put it here, and I will write my phone number. And also here we have, if you want also the email like that, and if you want also the location like that, and here we have it. This is how it works. Then we have here text. If you want to add a heading, add a subheading, add a text box, magic word, add your brand font. Then we have here add a subheading, add a little bit of body text. Then we have here font combination also like that. And also we have here uploads. If you want to add fonts, brand voice, photos, graphics, icons, then we have here uploads also. If you want to upload files, record yourself if you want, then we have here video, audio, images if you want to record yourself. You can just click over here. There you have it. You have just to click over record. 3, 2, 1, then you get started recording yourself. So you click over done once you're done, and then you click over save and exit, or you can just delete if you don't like it and you exit the studio. Then we have the last option, which is draw. So about this one, you have just to draw whatever you want. You choose the color that you want. For example, here I will choose black, and choose also the color that I want here. For example, I'll select this one, and here we have it. So here we have the option of window if you did a mistake, and this is how it looks firstly. And we have a redo, as you can see. Also here we have the zoom, and here we have if you want to move down this one, and here we have the hide page. Here we have if you want to lock the page, if you want to duplicate, here we have if you want to delete, and if you want to add a page like that. So as you can see, here we have it. Right, we have here the zoom, and we have here other view like thumbnail view like that. Then we have here grid view, and we have here present full screen like that, as you can see. And there we have it like now. So you have just right now to click over share, and you add people groups that you have to share with it. And also you can use the option to download, and here we have public view link. You have just to click over copy, or you can just click over create. Here we have the design is shared publicly. Anyone with the link can access a view only version of this design. So you have just to copy the design and you share it with your friends. Then we have here other options like public present, template link, present and record, copy to clipboard, save to folder, send to phone, embed, and website also, as you can see. So this is how it works with Canva and creating a brochure on Canva. So Canva makes it easy for anyone to create beautiful brochures quickly and efficiently. With its simple tools and wide range of templates, you can bring your ideas to life and effectively connect with your audience. Start designing your brochure today and see the difference it can make. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.